1978. Two kids dig in a Los Angeles yard and hit metal, not a pipe. A Ferrari Dino. Stolen, insured, buried, and then reborn. South LA, late 70s. A backyard dig turns into a neighborhood spectacle. Police arrive. A crane hooks into something wrapped in plastic, and out of the earth comes a Ferrari Dino 246 GTS, the kind of car you usually see on posters, not under the petunias. Records showed the Dino was reported stolen a few years earlier, but this wasn't a junk and run. Whoever buried it took care. Windows sealed, openings plugged, plastic sheeting to keep water out, even signs of ventilation. The working theory? Hide now, recover later, then cash in one way or another. Only the plan stalled, the car stayed, the dirt settled, and the yard kept it secret until the kids found it. Pulling a sports car from a hole is not elegant. Chains creaked, the roof caved a little, and the Dino looked more bog mummy than Italian sculpture. But underneath the mud, there it was, a mid-engine V6 icon, the baby Ferrari that Enzo didn't want to call a Ferrari at all. After the headlines, the car went to the insurer that had paid the theft claim, then to a new owner who chose the long road, a full restoration. Panel by panel, the buried Dino was brought back. Fresh metal, corrected lines, that distinct Dino soundtrack, from backyard grave to show field. This one lingers because it's all three stories at once. Treasure, kids dig up a supercar; crime, a stolen exotic hidden in plain sight; and resurrection, a legend saved from the dirt. It's a reminder that car culture isn't just horsepower, it's mystery, myth, and sometimes a miracle. If you uncovered a car in your backyard, what would you hope it was? Tell me below. And if you love stories like this, watch the Forgotten Corvette in the dying mall next. It's the same Ghost of Americana energy.